It's Dopest Dessert here, and today we're gonna play some more Roblox. And we're gonna play some more epic minigames. In the last episode, we only did a few. There was like 1,000. What? I don't really know. There's like 50 maybe. Okay, that music is. Oh, this one is really fun. It's like musical chair. You need to find a. Oh, sorry, that was my dog. Sorry about that. So you need to hop in one of these before that thing comes down and smashes. See, I'm in. So those people are gonna get smashed. I'm in a hole. I'm in a hole. Oh no, the carport toy. The carport toy. Okay. I'm in a hole. I'm in a hole. Ha! Can't get me compartment toy. Whoa, that was scary. It was like 2 that time. Whoa. Oh, yeah. That guy was trying to get it, but I got it. Ha. Get wet. Get wet, other guy. Woo! That's scary. That's so scary. Yes! Yeah! Oh yeah. You made it. Okay. That's my friend. That was actually the guy who was texting me in the first episode. Failing to rob banks. That one. Oh, we did this one last time. Wait, did we? I feel like we did. So pretty much you just have to find it's literally a maze that disappears and reappears. That's annoying. Look, see? Then there's another thing that opens up. Where? Open up. Open sesame. Ha. Those lamos are gonna get checked out. You go this way. Ha. I'm gonna be the first one. No. No. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. It's right there. Yes! 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 Oh, I've never done so good in this. I've never done so good in this game. I'm usually really terrible. Let me just check the time. Okay. Why am I floating? Okay. Ice cream. Ice cream. Do you need some ice cream? Of course you do. Okay, this one you just punch each other, I think. Or is it like, do you have guns or something? Or I think it's like swords, or you punch, or... I don't really know. Okay. Be one of the last 3 alive. Yeah, you punch. That doesn't look like I'm punching. Back here. Ha. Oh, holy, that guy. Cheater, he has a diamond hand. He's such a cheater. He's such a dang cheater. He's a cheetah. He's a Cheeto. He's a cheating Cheeto. He's a cheat. Oh, this one? Random crystals appear and you need to grab them. Oh, yeah. It's typical type. Yeah. Like one can appear like there. Pretty much anywhere. I'm gonna guess one is gonna appear right here. Whoa! Oh! Ah, that was hilarious. It just spawns right there, and I think it's gonna spawn right there. Okay, now that. Let's spectate! And he thinks one is going to spawn right here. But is it? Oh my god, he's smart like me. What if someone else got it? What if that girl got it? Alright, well that girl's going to win because this guy's doing nothing. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Ha! Losers. Ice cream. I got victory ice cream. Ha ha ha, you dumb. Firework. This one, holes will come out of the pipes. You have a wrench and you need to whack it and it will fill up somehow. And if you don't do that, then like water drowns you. Oh yeah. Oh no, there's so much water. It's coming so fast. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's coming. Oh jeez. Oh no. Oh. I'm gonna drown. We're so gonna drown. It's just so much. It's up to my ankles. Is it? I don't know. I can't get this one. That one's picky. Oh no. Oh no. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. What did I tell you? I'm dead. Icy Papa Bear was with me. I want a pet. Turtle. No, I need a dessert as a pet. No, I need desserts. There's a walrus. This is fluffy unicorn. Yeah. Oh. What is this? Okay, this one, I forget. It will start to rain lava. Oh, this one, yeah. Don't step on those, because lava comes down. There's such epic battle music. It's following. It looks like a bunch of meteors, not lava. Get your glam away, Roblox. No! No one's survived. That one is a little bit too crazy. I'm a boss. You died like the first time. I'm a boss. Alright, there's one really complicated. It's, that's me. Yeah, that was me in the corner. But see, those things are trying to kill you. You have to stand behind these. Ooh, no. 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 Oh, jeez. Ooh. Alright, I think me and this other guy got this in the bag. Oh. Yeah! Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end this episode off here. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. We did a lot of mini games. We won a lot also. Why don't we just win one more? Let's just win one more. This is gonna be the final. So pretty much hot stuff is gonna come out of the pipes. You just need to not die. Where's the hot pipes? Is she even pressing the buttons? Press the dang buttons. Press the dang button. Please go. Oh my god, she's not. She's not AFK. No, she's not AFK. Press them. She's gonna think I'm AFK. She's standing right here. Wow. Okay, that was easy. Remember, guys, dessert is first. Bye, guys.